Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and make sure that you're on a phone. Now let's tap on the three dots icon and click on blocked. As you can see here, we've got some call block rules and message block rules. Let's tap on message block rules, and as you can see here, we've got only one option. We can block unknown numbers. Now this option is active, so it means that we won't receive any incoming messages from unknown numbers. Let's get back and let's tap on call block rules, and as you can see here, we can block all incoming calls, block unknown numbers, or block private numbers. So let me pick, for example, this one, and from now on this feature is active, so I won't receive any incoming calls from private numbers. Now let's get back and let's tap on the settings right here. And as you can see here, we've got also call block rules and message block rules, but here we've got also our blacklist. Let's tap on it. Here we have no numbers added, but in order to add new one, simply tap on add. And now we can decide how we want to add it. We can add it manually, we can block prefix, we can add it from our contact list, from call logs, or from messages. So for example, let me pick add from contacts. And now let's tap on the contacts. Here we've got our contact, which we want to block, for example, so let's tap on it and click on this tick icon. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, and from now on we won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. In order to add it manually, simply tap on add, click on add manually, and here we can manually type the number we want to block. Click on OK, and as you can see, it also immediately appears on our blacklist. In order to unblock the number, simply tap on it and hold it, and now click on remove. Click on remove, and as you can see, it immediately disappears from our blacklist, and from now on we will be able to receive all incoming calls or text messages from that number. So that's all. This is how to block specific number in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.